If you're running an online store, you already know how challenging it is to capture attention, keep it, and convert visitors into paying customers. You're probably using pop-ups, coupon codes, exit intent offers, but let's be honest, those tactics, they're outdated and they're leaving money on the table. That's exactly why we built Buddify AI Sales Assistant. It's a Shopify app that revolutionizes how discounts are offered, not with static coupon codes, but through real-time AI-powered negotiation. Imagine this: a customer visits your store, sees a product they love, but they're on the fence. Instead of walking away, they click Negotiate. And just like that, Buddify steps in, your intelligent sales assistant, and starts a conversation. It learns about the shopper's behavior, strategically offers a personalized discount based on rules you define, and works to close the sale, all while protecting your profit margins. The result? Higher conversion rates, increased average order value, a fun, engaging customer experience that keeps people coming back. Buddify is not just a discount tool, it's your AI-powered sales assistant. It promotes your products, it learns what your customers want, and over time, it gets even better at closing the deal. It is designed to optimize every customer interaction, turning hesitation into action and boosting your bottom line without sacrificing control. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce business and giving your customers a smarter, more personalized experience, it's time to let Buddify do the selling for you. Install it today, set your discount limits, and watch the magic happen.